Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a haul, and I'm holding two of the things that are in the haul that I'm about to film, and they're for Lucy, and Lucy really wants them really bad because I just pulled them out of the bag, because she was trying to get them from the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys these real quick. I have items from TJ Maxx, Burlington Coat Factory, Riley Rose I believe it's called, and then Lush. These first two items are from TJ Maxx. They're dog toys. They were on clearance because they're, I guess, Easter themed. So the first one I got is this cupcake. It was on clearance for $2. And then I got this giant bunny for $3.50. And they're both squeaker toys. So let me take the tag off and give them to Lucy before she loses it. That one also squeaks, but it's a little bit of a louder squeak. Here you go! Wow, you get a bunny! Are you so excited? You love a bunny and a cupcake? Ah, she's down there playing with them. I did not go to TJ Maxx for clearance dog toys. I actually went because I needed 3 things. And hello. Okay, so I actually have to go meet my mom, so I need to hurry up and finish this haul. The next thing I got, I actually went there to get a purple shampoo. I got a purple shampoo. It's giant. This is the Pearl Essence Purple Color Renewal Shampoo, and it was $9.99. I also went there for a new face wash. So this one looked really cute. It is this egg foaming face wash, and it says the egg yolk extracts help to care for dry skin. And I have dry skin, so I thought this would be really good for my skin. And this was $3.99, and this is what the little face wash looks like. It's all cutie and yellow. Let's go ahead and put this back in the box. Then I also went for toothpaste, and I couldn't decide between these two because I really like the Jason brand, but I haven't tried this one that I got. I'll just show you this one first. This is the Jason Simply Coconut Whitening Toothpaste. It's coconut cream, it says. And then this was $2.99. I have a Jason toothpaste, but it's not this flavor, I guess you would call it. Then I also got this one, which I've actually tried before. This is the Dr. Collins Natural Toothpaste, and it is the vanilla mint and goji berry flavor, and I really like this. This one was actually on sale for $3, and I checked it. It's not open. There's literally nothing wrong with it, so I was like, what? That's freaking awesome. And then the last thing I got at TJ Maxx is this Laura Geller Glow For It Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminating Trio, and this was $7.99, and it says right here it retails for, well, it is typically sold for $35, and it has the retail value, sorry, of $55, and that is what it looks like right there. It is super cute, and I actually really, really love Laura Geller highlighters, so they're really awesome, so I got that. Oh wait, sorry, I got one more thing at TJ Maxx. I forgot I got this. This is the Pig Nose Clear Blackhead Massage. Oh wait, Blackhead Peeling Massage Gel. Sorry, that's a mouthful. And this was $3.99. And I'm pretty sure this is the brand that made the original poof face mask that, you know, fluffs up on your skin. I'm not 100% for sure, but I think. And then I got 3 things at Burlington Coat Factory. I don't have one of them here. They're actually in my bathroom. I got a pair of earrings for prom. Then I also got this Elite Skincare Essentials Firming Rose Hydrating Gel Face Mask. This was on clearance for $1.99, and I love hydration face masks, so I picked that up. Then I also got this little lash comb by the brand Revive, and this was also $1.99, and it's literally a little comb to comb through your eyelashes, and I thought that'd be really good for like when mascara clumps up. So I wanted to try that out and see if I liked that or if it was just an unnecessary purchase. Next up, I'm going to show you guys everything I got at Riley Rose. I never have heard of Riley Rose until I went in, and a lady actually explained the entire store to me. It's a Forever 21 sister store, and they have a lot of Instagram brand makeup brands, and some other makeup brands like NYX. NYX isn't like an Instagram brand, it's a well-known brand. But they had this NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette on sale for $11. I'm pretty sure this is regular $24. I actually had used this since I got it, and I've only used it once. I can't tell 100% for sure if I really like it yet or not, but I do want to do a video on it. Then I got 2 more things. Everything I got, everything I got was on the sale rack. I also got this Lip Land liquid lipstick in the color Nirvana, and it is like a purpley color. I would take it out and show you, but I'm going to be late meeting my mom. This was $4, and then I got a Beauty Bakery lip whip in the color Buried, and this was on sale for $14. You can't really see this through the box, so I'll open this up. Oh, okay, so it just opens like this. Looks like that. There's glitter in it. It's really pretty looking, and I'm really excited to try it out. Then the last store is Lush. So they got this. I don't typically like lotion, but the lady had me try it at the cash register, and then I just had to get one. This is the Charity Pot little lotion, and I have been using it, and I have been really liking it. It's really been helping me with my dry skin, so I'm excited for that. Okay, then I got 3 bath bombs. So on here it says what bath bombs they are, but I won't know which ones they are until I look at them. Okay, so this one is the Floating Flower. This is one of the Mother's Day ones. This was $6.95, and the Charity Pot hand lotion, that was $7.95. This was $6.99, and it has like an actual flower in it. It's just this blue bath bomb, and it smells amazing. Then I got, I think this is, yeah, I got this orange one, which is the Yuzu and Cocoa bath bomb. And my first ever item from Lush was a macaroon bubble bar thingy that was the scent, and I really liked it, so I got that bath bomb. Then I also got one of their really popular bath bombs. This one right here, it is the S word bomb. I don't really want to say that, but it's really popular and it smells really good. And that is everything that I got. So yeah, that was a really quick haul. I was originally planning on swatching stuff, but I just do not have time and I have to go. So I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. Right now I'm uploading, I'm pretty decent on it. 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday on this channel, as well as Monday, Wednesday, Friday on my second channel. So if you're not subscribed to my second channel, be sure to go ahead and check that out. It is called Life with LovHailey. It is always linked in my description box down below. But I need to quit rambling. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button if you want to. If you don't, that's totally fine. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, because we're from Kentucky.